Which motorcycle chain is actually worth your hard-earned cash? Simple question, but you really have to dig a bit deeper to get the best bang for your buck. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 chains that deliver performance without breaking the bank. Product number 1, Model Chain Care Set. First up is the Model Chain Care Set. Priced at $25.05, this kit caught my attention right away because of its stellar 4.8-star rating from over 683 reviews. If you want to keep your chain running smoothly and lasting longer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The chain cleaning support gently breaks down dirt and grease, which helps extend the life of your chain. The chain lube spray reduces friction, making it suitable for both off-road and street riding. And with over 1,000 units sold last month, clearly others trust this product to keep their bikes in shape. Now, some people complained about the size of the bottles being smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, for regular maintenance, a smaller size can actually be more convenient and you won't need to use it as often. This is perfect for you if you're a motorcycle owner who values regular maintenance but doesn't want to spend all day cleaning. Skip this one if you're looking for a one-time solution, as it's designed for ongoing care, making it a solid value for the money. Product number 2, WEFOO Chain Washer. Next, we have the WEFOO Chain Washer priced at just $7.99. With a fantastic rating of 4.7 stars from over 4,300 reviews, it's hard to overlook this one. If you're looking for an affordable and effective way to keep your chain clean, this is definitely worth considering. This brush set is designed to help you easily maintain your bike chain, ensuring smooth operation while riding. The dual brush design means you can tackle different areas of your chain with ease, making it perfect for both bicycles and motorcycles. Plus, the lightweight material means you can carry it along on your rides without feeling weighed down. However, some users pointed out that the brushes wear out faster than expected. But honestly, at this price point, you can easily buy multiple sets without breaking the bank, making it a practical choice for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious rider who needs a reliable cleaning tool. Skip this one if you want something that will last for years without replacement, as you might be disappointed. Product number 3, JTShai Chain Washer. Coming in at $6.59, the JTShai Chain Washer is another impressive option. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 1,800 reviews, it's hard not to take notice. If you want a budget-friendly solution for keeping your chain clean, this is worth a serious look. This cleaning brush set includes 2 brushes that are effective at reaching those hard-to-clean spots. Made from durable plastic, it tackles persistent sludge easily, ensuring your chain performs at its best. If you've ever struggled with dirt buildup affecting your ride quality, this tool is a game changer. But I'll be real with you, some users have mentioned that the bristles could be sturdier. However, given how affordable this set is, it's not a deal breaker for those who need a quick clean after every ride. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and effective cleaning solution on a budget. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty, as it may not withstand extreme wear and tear. Product number 4, ALP&KOK Chain Brush. Next is the ALP&KOK Chain Brush, priced at $6.95. With a strong 4.5-star rating from 1,700 reviews, it's a popular choice among riders. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to keep your chain clean, this is a great option. This brush features durable nylon bristles that clean all sides of your motorcycle chain effectively. The best part. You don't even need to remove the chain to clean it, which saves you time and effort. It's designed for every rider, whether you're hitting muddy trails or cruising on the highway. One downside is that some users have noted it can struggle with heavy grime. But honestly, for regular maintenance and light cleaning, it's a fantastic tool that gets the job done without complicating your routine. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free cleaning process that fits seamlessly into your riding schedule. Skip this one if you often ride in extremely dirty conditions, as it may not be tough enough for that. Product number 5, IBRO Motorcycle Chain Wallet. Finally, we have the IBRO Motorcycle Chain Wallet available for $26.99. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,800 reviews, this wallet caught my attention for its blend of style and functionality. If you need a wallet that complements your biking lifestyle while keeping your essentials secure, this is definitely worth considering. The RFID blocking technology protects your cards from electronic theft, which is crucial for anyone on the go. With multiple credit card slots and a secure chain, it's perfect for bikers who want to keep their valuables close and safe. A potential downside is that some users found it a bit bulky for everyday carry. But here's the thing, if you're worried about security and you're a biker, that extra bulk is a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a rugged wallet that matches your biker aesthetic. Skip this one if you need something ultra slim, as it might not fit that bill. So there you have it, the Model Chain Care Set for maintenance, the WEFOO and JT-Shy chain washers for budget-friendly cleaning, the ALP and KOK for effortless chain cleaning, and the IBRO motorcycle chain wallet for bikers needing style and security. Each option has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy riding!